In today's video, I show you how to add a QR code to your invoices in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more tips. First, log into Zoho Books and go to Settings, then click on Invoices. In the General tab, toggle on the Invoice QR code feature. This enables QR codes for your invoices. Next, choose the type of QR code. You can select Invoice URL, which links directly to the online invoice, or Custom QR code, where you can enter a personal URL or message up to 250 characters. Add a clear description for easy identification. Now, add the QR code to your invoice template. Go back to Settings, Greater than PDF Templates, Greater than Invoices. Choose the template you want and click Edit. Scroll to Other Details and check Show Invoice QR Code. Click Save to confirm. Finally, create a new invoice or open an existing one and click Preview PDF to verify the QR code appears correctly. And that's it. Your invoices now include a QR code, making them interactive and easier for clients to access.